Hello and welcome back to a new video. In this video I'll show you how to recover your Chime account. For that you need to go and open the app, but I don't have this app because it is not available in my region, so I'll just go and open their website and find and in their login page you can see three options: forgot your email address, forgot your password. And if you don't remember your password, just tap on forgot your password. There you have to enter your email address and they will send you an email on your Gmail where you can find a verification code or a reset link. And if it is a link, just tap on that, and if it is a code, just paste it on the prompted area. And after that you will get to reset your password and go back to your login page and enter your email and password and recover your account. But if you forgot your email address, just tap on your email address and enter your phone number, tap on next button, and they will send you a code. And after that you can get access to your Chime account. I hope this video helps you out. If you have any questions or queries, just let us know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.